Hey everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video, you will learn how you can easily change shipping price in Shopify. So let's start. First, you want to be on your dashboard and then you want to click here on settings. When you're in settings, you want to go here on shipping. When you're on shipping, you will find it here, rates at checkout, and you want to click here on manage rates. Or you can also custom shipping rates for products if you want to do it manually for each product, if you have special products. When you're going to click here, let's say I got shipping to Slovakia, my domestic country. I would just add rate here and now set up your own rate. And I don't know, just click here standard and I would write here 50 euro. Okay, add conditions, and you can also like, okay, minimum price is 50, then price is 0. So done. So conditions, when the price is 50 and up, you are going to have price free. And if I'm going to add it, let's say standard, okay. Or like 10 bucks, 10 euro, done. So, okay, and rest of the world, you got it like this. So this is how you do it, and this is how you add another shipping rates. Quite simple, quite easy, and yep. Thank you very much everybody for watching. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.